Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite potato and kale soups. It's so simple and easy to put together, and then you can add beans to it, you can add rosemary, you can add all sorts of things to it. So if you guys are wondering, we do have new bags in my Etsy shop. The link is in my bio. So I'm going to start off by setting up my vibe. It helps me enjoy cooking. I'm going to dice up an onion, and then here are potatoes from my garden. I grew these. I'm so pleased with how they grew this year. I'm going to dice up my potatoes, but then I'm going to cook down my onions in my pot here. I'm going to add a little garlic. Then I add the potatoes and water. And I like to season this with a little bit of this vegan bouillon. You can use just salt and pepper and seasonings if you want. After the potatoes have cooked, I turn off the heat, add the kale so that it wilts, then add a bunch of almond milk. Then I season it with some chili flakes, a little more garlic, salt, and pepper. And then I like to top it with some of this vegan Parmesan cheese. You can do whatever you want. I've added white beans to this as well, which is super good, but it's super simple, and I absolutely have to eat this with sourdough. It is so delicious.